Hey guys, what's up? It is me, Tim, here with 8-Bit Chicken, and today I am sick, so we're going to learn how to make elderberry syrup. Let's do it. Need a saucepan, some water, some cinnamon sticks, some whole cloves, some ginger, and now would be a great time for you to hit that subscribe button while I'm fooling with this ginger that has extremely long roots for some unknown reason. And why not use ginger if you have it in-house? You can go to the store and purchase ginger if you like, but I have some here in-house, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that. Make sure you do rinse it off if you harvest it yourself. I think that goes without saying, but hey, you never know. Boom, we have our ginger. You might want some elderberries, dry or fresh, in my case frozen, and then some honey and a spoon because you don't want to stir this with your hand. Go ahead and add your 3.5 cups of water to your saucepan and get that heating up. And while it's heating up, you can go ahead and toss in your 2 tablespoons of ginger, 2 to 3 cloves, however you feel, and 1 cinnamon stick. And then dump those elderberries in. And make sure you guys tune in this summer, and I will show you how to harvest elderberries from an elderberry bush, and we could also watch my elderberry bush grow this year, because this should be a really good year for it. And go ahead and occasionally stir it and let it heat up and bring it to a boil, and then knock it down to a simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. Now, elderberries have wonderful antioxidants, and they really help boost your immune system. What I'm doing here now is I'm going to start pushing the elderberries up against the side of the pan. And what that's going to do is release the juices from them and really make sure we get the full benefit from them. And this is the same if you're going to make elderberry wine or something like that. You do this same process. Go ahead and dump it into your strainer, into your measuring cup here. This is the same measuring cup that everyone's grandmother has, or maybe you have it like I have it. And then you'll end up with this wonderful maroon purpley mixture. Then now we add in 1 cup of honey. And if you're like me, you forgot to warm up your honey. So I'm having a bit of a struggle here, so I'm gonna dart off screen and go warm it up for about 30 minutes, and I'll be right back. And voila, that was a fast 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and put it in, and then you get impatient and just take the lid off anyways and squeeze it out. So now we're gonna go ahead and drop it into a lukewarm mixture of this elderberry juice concoction that we have made, and we're gonna stir it up until it dissolves. And then pour it into your container of choice. You can use a mason jar, or if you're a home brewer like myself, I have plenty of bottles on hand. So I'm just going to dump this, and these will store in your fridge for 2 weeks. And voila, it's as easy as that. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Thanks, and cheers.